Want to grab attention online? Want to make your message stand out? You need video. It's how we consume information now. More than words on a page, video is dynamic. It engages our senses. And with the right tools, creating amazing videos isn't hard. You don't need a Hollywood budget or years of experience. Whether it's for your business, your social media, or just for fun, powerful video creation is within your reach. Think about the last time a video truly captivated you. What was it about that video that drew you in? Was it the music, the visuals, the story it told? Chances are it was a combination of all these elements working together seamlessly. And that's the beauty of video. It's a multifaceted medium with the power to inform, entertain, and inspire. But creating high-quality video content can feel daunting, right? Invideo AI is more than just a video editing tool. It's your creative partner, your personal video expert. With Invideo AI, you're not starting from scratch. You have access to a vast library of templates, images, music, and more. It's like having a professional studio at your fingertips. Imagine being able to create stunning intros, eye-catching transitions, and engaging animations, all with just a few clicks. Invideo AI makes it possible. And because it's powered by artificial intelligence, it's constantly learning and evolving. This means you'll always have access to the latest and greatest features and capabilities. But it's not just about fancy features. Invideo AI is designed with you in mind. It's intuitive, easy to use, and accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical skills. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, Invideo AI has something for you. In the following sections, we'll dive deep into Invideo AI, exploring its free features and guiding you step by step through the process of creating your own amazing videos. Ready to dive into the world of Invideo AI? It all starts with a simple, free account. Quick, easy, and no credit card needed. Look for the Sign Up Free button. Clicking it takes you to a short registration form. Provide your email, create a strong password, and submit. Verify your account via email, and you're in. Start exploring all the amazing features. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Invideo AI dashboard. This is your creative control center, where you'll access all the tools and features you need to bring your video visions to life. Don't feel overwhelmed by the options. Invideo AI has designed its interface to be intuitive and user-friendly. On the left side of the screen, you'll likely find a navigation bar with clearly labeled sections. This is your roadmap to everything Invideo AI offers. You'll find options for templates, your video library, music, and more. Take a moment to click through each section and see what piques your interest. At the top of the screen, you might see a banner or notification highlighting the free plan and its capabilities. Invideo AI wants to ensure you know exactly what you have access to, so don't hesitate to click on any prompts or links that provide more information about the free plan's features and limitations. Understanding your workspace. Let's get acquainted with the heart of Invideo AI, the video editor. Click on the Create New Video button, and you'll be greeted by a clean, well-organized workspace where the magic happens. Don't worry if it seems a bit intimidating at first. We'll break it down together. Typically, you'll find your video timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll arrange your video clips, images, text, and other elements to craft your masterpiece. Above the timeline, you might see a preview window allowing you to see your video come to life as you edit. To the left or right of the preview window, you'll likely find a toolbar containing a wealth of editing tools and options. This is your creative arsenal, providing access to everything from basic trims and cuts to more advanced features like transitions, animations, and special effects. Remember, even with the free plan, you have a powerful set of tools at your disposal. Unleashing the power of templates. Invideo AI offers a generous selection of professionally designed templates. These pre-made structures include layouts, transitions, and music, giving you a head start. Think of them as blueprints for success. Find the templates section on the dashboard. Explore options categorized by themes, industries, and styles. Whether for business, YouTube, or special occasions, you'll find a template that resonates with your vision. Preview and personalize it with your content. Swap out text, images, and videos to reflect your unique brand. Experiment to bring your creative vision to life. A world of media at your fingertips. Invideo AI offers a vast library of royalty-free media to enhance your videos. From high-quality images and video clips to catchy music tracks, you'll find everything you need. No need to spend hours searching. Invideo AI has you covered. Look for the media section within the platform. Discover a curated collection of stock footage, images, and audio. Browse categories, use the search bar, and preview media to complement your project. Even small details like background music can make a big difference. Well-chosen media enhances storytelling, evokes emotions, and leaves a lasting impression. Text and titles that pop. Text and titles play a crucial role in video storytelling, providing context, highlighting key messages, and engaging your audience. Invideo AI understands this, offering a range of text animation and styling options to make your words come alive on screen. Even with the free plan, you can create visually appealing text elements that capture attention and enhance your message. Within the Invideo AI video editor, you'll find a dedicated section for adding and customizing text. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, colors, and animations to find the perfect style that aligns with your video's tone and message. Don't be afraid to get creative and explore various text placement options to create visually dynamic compositions. Remember to keep your text concise and easy to read. Use a font size that's legible on different screen sizes, and don't overwhelm viewers with walls of text. Instead, opt for short, impactful phrases that quickly convey your message and keep your audience engaged. Music to set the mood. Music has an incredible power to evoke emotions, set the tone, and enhance the overall impact of your videos. Invideo AI recognizes this and provides a selection of royalty-free music tracks that you can freely use in your creations. Whether you're aiming for an upbeat and energetic vibe or a more calming and reflective atmosphere, you'll find the perfect soundtrack to complement your video's message. Look for a section labeled Music within the Invideo AI editor and browse through the available tracks. You can often filter by genre, mood, or tempo to narrow down your search. Don't hesitate to preview different tracks and experiment with how they interact with your video's visuals and pacing. If you have your own music or sound effects that you'd like to use, Invideo AI typically allows you to upload your own audio files, even with the free plan. This gives you even more creative control over your project and ensures that your video's soundtrack perfectly aligns with your vision. Starting with a solid foundation. All right, let's dive into the exciting part, creating your video. Remember that blank canvas we talked about, the Invideo AI workspace? It's time to transform it into something amazing. We'll start with the foundation, the backbone of your video project. Think about the message you want to convey, the story you want to tell. Is it a snappy social media post, a compelling product demo, or a heartfelt message to your audience? Your video's purpose will guide your choices from here on out. If you're using a template, you've got a head start. But even with a pre-designed structure, you can customize it to fit your vision perfectly. Swap out placeholder images with eye-catching visuals that resonate with your brand or message. Remember, every element should contribute to the overall story you're telling. Bringing your vision to life. Now that you have a solid foundation, it's time to breathe life into your video. This is where your creativity shines. Start adding your own content to the timeline, whether it's video clips you've shot, images that capture the essence of your message, or even text slides that provide context and information. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements and timings. Invideo AI's drag-and-drop interface makes it super easy to move elements around, trim clips to the perfect length, and create a dynamic flow that keeps your viewers engaged. Remember, video is all about visual storytelling. As you add each element, take a moment to preview how it looks and feels within the context of your video. Does the pacing feel right? Do the transitions between scenes flow smoothly? Don't be afraid to make adjustments and refine your work as you go. Refining your masterpiece. Now that you have all the pieces in place, it's time to fine-tune your masterpiece. Think of this stage as polishing a diamond, bringing out its brilliance and sparkle. We'll focus on enhancing your video's visual appeal and ensuring your message shines through. Explore Invideo AI's text editing tools to create eye-catching titles, captions, and call to actions. Choose fonts that align with your brand and message. Experiment with different sizes and colors, and even add subtle animations to make your text pop. Next, dive into the world of transitions and effects. Seamlessly connect different scenes with fades, wipes, or more dynamic transitions that add a touch of flair. But remember, moderation is key. Too many flashy transitions can be distracting, so choose wisely and prioritize clarity. Previewing and downloading your creation. Take a deep breath and give yourself a pat on the back. You're almost there. Now it's time to preview your creation from start to finish. just as your audience will experience it. Click that play button and watch your video come to life. As you watch, pay attention to the overall flow, the pacing, the impact of your visuals and audio. Does it effectively convey your message? Does it evoke the desired emotions? Don't be afraid to make final tweaks and adjustments based on your observations. Once you're completely satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to download it and unleash it into the world. Invideo AI typically offers various export options, even with the free plan. Choose the video resolution and format that best suits your needs, whether it's for social media, your website, or a presentation. Sharing your video with the world. Congratulations! You've successfully created a captivating video using Invideo AI's free tools. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world and let your creativity shine. But before you hit that upload button, take a moment to consider your distribution strategy. Where does your target audience hang out online? If it's social media, optimize your video for each platform's specifications. Craft compelling captions, use relevant hashtags, and consider creating shorter teasers to pique curiosity. If you're embedding your video on your website or blog, ensure it's seamlessly integrated and complements your existing content. Consider adding a call to action, encouraging viewers to explore more of your work or engage with your brand. Remember, creating the video is just the first step. Promoting it effectively will help you reach a wider audience and maximize the impact of your hard work. Invideo AI empowers you to create amazing videos efficiently. Let's explore tips to maximize your time, especially on the free plan. Think of these as shortcuts to success. Keyboard shortcuts are your new best friend. They can dramatically speed up your workflow. Want to trim a clip quickly? There's a shortcut for that. Need to add a text overlay? Shortcut to the rescue. Use pre-made elements to save time. Invideo AI offers a library of transitions, animations, and sound effects. Drag and drop them into your project. Plan your video before diving into the editor. A clear idea of your message and audience makes editing smoother. Creating a video that grabs attention goes beyond the technical aspects. Capture your audience's interest and keep them engaged. Focus on your audio. Poor audio can make viewers click away. Use a good quality microphone. Pay attention to pacing. Keep your video concise and get to the point quickly. Use a variety of shots to maintain interest. Don't be afraid to experiment. Discover your unique editing style. We've covered a lot of ground in this whirlwind tour of Invideo AI, from its user-friendly interface to its powerful free features. But the most important takeaway is this: you don't need to be a tech wizard or a Hollywood filmmaker to create amazing videos. Invideo AI puts the power of professional quality video creation right at your fingertips, no matter your budget or experience level. Imagine being able to bring your ideas to life, to share your stories with the world, all through the magic of video. Invideo AI empowers you to do just that. Whether you're promoting your business, sharing your passion project, or simply connecting with friends and family, video allows you to communicate in ways that words simply can't match. And the best part? You can start creating right now, for free. No need to wait for the perfect moment or invest in expensive equipment. Invideo AI provides all the tools and resources you need to embark on your video creation journey, one captivating story at a time. As we conclude this exploration of Invideo AI, I encourage you to take action. Don't let your creative potential remain untapped. Head over to the Invideo AI website, sign up for your free account, and start exploring the vast world of video creation. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Don't be afraid to experiment, to make mistakes, and to learn from each video you create. The Invideo AI community is there to support you, with helpful tutorials, inspiring examples, and a shared passion for the art of video storytelling. So, what are you waiting for? The world is waiting to see your stories, your perspectives, your unique voice. Embrace the power of Invideo AI and unlock your creative potential. The journey begins now, one captivating video at a time.